Hello friends, this is Pranay Kumar from Earn with Pranav. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to receive videos as they are uploaded. Today I am going to show you a method by which you can earn up to $1,000 per month on Autopilot. First, you need to work a bit for a day, and then after that it is totally autopilot with a very little work that you need to do. It's totally autopilot. The site which I am going to show you is Teespring. Let's go to Teespring. Let's click out here and let's go to Start Designing. Let's choose the product, Kids and Babies, Premium Tea, Sell. Okay, now I'll go to another site called Pixabay.
According to Wikipedia, Pixabay.com is an international website for share.
So let's search for Dino. Dinosaur. And let's search for vector graphics instead of images. Let's use this one. Let's download it. It's free and you don't need to attribute. I'm not a robot. Let's download it desktop. Then let's come back here. Let's click on Add Image. Let's add this image. Image has been uploaded. Now click out here and shorten this a bit. Let's position it nicely. Okay. Now let's click on Add Text. Let's choose a good one, good text. Let's choose this one, Osaka Sans Serif. Let's expand this a bit. Click out here. Delete and tag space, and let's type RAWR, RAWR. That is in Dino language, it means I love you. If for kids. Okay. Now let's choose the color to green. Let's click on continue. Let's edit this. We need at least $8 profit. Let's click on continue. Continue. Name your listing to RAWR cute dino. Gift in the description, gift your kid with a cute dino t-shirt. Let's publish this. Wait a minute. Yeah, that was the Grammarly extension. Let's publish this listing. Listing is being prepared. Now you can also sell on Amazon, eBay and Wish for 50 cents. It's almost nothing, but now I'll market my product, but I highly recommend you sell with Amazon, eBay and Wish for 50 cents. Now I'll click here and save this, and I'll also save the image to my desktop. Alternatively, if you don't like to design it yourself, you can go to a site called fiverr.com. Give a search, and here you can go for t-shirt design. I'll just click the $90, $20, etc. I'll go for $5 or maximum $10 a piece if it is very good. I can order a design out here and have it made within a few days. Then I'll go to Instagram. I have a Chrome extension for Instagram. I'll click out here, go to search. I'll search for dinosaur. Search for dinosaur. Let's say this one, the JP collection. Let's go to this. So they have got a YouTube channel. Let's click here. Let's go to about. And click on view email address. The email address will be shown, and then you can email this person that, hello, I was wondering if you do Instagram shoutouts. I just saw your Instagram page. I was wondering if you do Instagram shoutouts. Now for that, at first what you have got to do, you have got to create an Instagram account, and then you ask this person if you do Instagram shoutout, and then there are two options by which you can go. You can either ask that person that you can share my picture, which is this one, on your Instagram profile, and then we can split the profit 50-50. You can give the link out there. In his the link will be in his bio. His bio will change for 1 or 2 hours. In his the link will change in his bio for 1 or 2 hours, and then you can ask him that we can split the profit 50-50. But a person with you see 12,700 followers may not be interested in splitting the profit. So you can ask him that, can you name the price for a shout out? Shout outs are very cheap, and he'll name the price, and then you can negotiate and pay him. So this was the whole idea. Within a few hours, you'll get a flood of sale. You'll get a flood of sale. And this, if you do it for, say, a month, then you can get $1,000 per month. It is called influencer marketing. So this was the whole idea. If you liked my video, please do not click to like, subscribe and share. This is Pranay Kumar signing off from Earn with Pranav. Have a very great day.